Joel chapter 2 verse 28 to 32 says, and it shall come to pass that I will pour out my spirit on all flesh. Your sons and your daughters shall prophesy. Your old men shall dream dreams. Your young men shall see visions. And also my men servant and my maid servant, I will pour out my spirit in those days. And I will show wonders in the heavens and the earth, blood and fire and pillars of smoke. The sun shall be turned into darkness and the moon into blood before the coming of the great and awesome day of the Lord. And it shall come to pass that whoever calls on the name of the Lord shall be saved. And I want to tell you, this is the hour, this is the season, this is the moment. Revival is here. Arise and shine, for your light has come. It's the time we are going to experience the greatest miracles we have never seen through our generations, and I'm glad to be part of it. Thank you very much. Arise and shine.